Welcome to my Make Money Online channel. Thank you watching this video and wait for me. Life by Design PLR. This is the perfect PLR for the self-help niche. Maximize your online business potential with top quality PLR product that transform your clients' lives without having to spend week and a fortune on product creation. Hurry up into the pricing increasing in. Why grab this PLR package today? Live by Design Peak. A never seen before 100% done for your package. Need to resell. Snap your name on it. Claim it as your own. The best way to predict the future is the created from Sean and Kelly. Living by design doesn't mean a flawless existence without challenge. Anyone can live a life by design with the right mindset, tools and guidance. Did you know that the online self-help industry is a growing $20 business today? So we are targeting one of the most popular in demand topics today, living life by design. Who are the target audience? The young, old man, woman, regardless of their professional and even teenager and school kids are all targeted audience in this niche. That said, the reachability of the niche is mind-blogging. So what is the solution? Invest in high quality PLR product to skyrocket your business. Life by Design cover all the demand topics such as. Plus, you can even sell at its own and keep 100% profit. And I am offering you more than just content. I am going to give you a full brown product that you can laugh right away profit. Why? You should launch your own product. Introducing the Life by Design PLR. 4 reasons why you need to get this. Wow! Live by Design PLR Model Act premium quality eBook value $7,700 only. Tuning chapter graphics included. Module 2 complete checklist value $100. Module 5 hypnotizing video sales letter value $450. Module 6 exclusive lead magnet value $450. 7 professional landing page value $250. Here is next previewer. Module 10 license certificate value priceless. Brilliant way to use this PLR. Private level write and included all modules. Live master resell write license. Live by Design. Sound great for so far. That's not all because I understand you do have one more concern. Have you heard what others are saying about Live by Design PLR? But we have got more surprise for you. On top of this full blown PLR package, we have also prepared these fast action bonuses only if you act now. Gold member. How much for all this is? But hold on. Let's read everything you are getting. Frequent asked questions. Thank you watching this video and Make Money Online. Thank you watching Make Money Online.